Okay guys, here we are. We use a auto box slide out with our Webber, and it also has additional chopping board. Now I was on the internet looking up something completely different, which I'll show you in this video, and I stumbled across K-On 4x4 products in Queensland. They had a lot of stainless steel gear to go with this, and I must say actually the other product I found, I looked for, is what led me to their website. It's totally irrelevant to this, and so I ended up ordering a couple stainless fold outs, cool little scraper tool which we'll show you. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing. We'll show you how to put it on the Webber and go from there. Here we are, the unbox. Comes with a what they've picked. Nothing really exciting about that. Got a few little bits and pieces here. So what we've got, they're giving us a patch. It's like if you're a scout or someone, you can have no idea what this is. Let's have a look. Oh, that's pretty cool. It's got Velcro on the back, so it looks like you could just Velcro that straight onto, say, things like the carpet in your drawer system, stuff like that. Here is this scraping tool for the Webber. This 5-in-1 barbecue cleaning tool. So this is the 4-digit model. It looks like it's a flat scraper. Let's open it up. Oh, that's pretty cool. So they've actually labelled, I don't know if you can see that with the light and how it is. They've actually labelled each piece and what it does. So they've labelled it things like flat scraper, so this edge here. And they've labelled it the deeper ones, shallow teeth. Well, the best one here is the bottle opener, that's for sure. Crack a drink. And that one is, oh, you can, looks like you can hang it, so you can. That I'm pretty excited about. It's definitely going to make my life easier just cleaning that Webber. Stainless steel convection tray. So we've gone for one of their convection trays because we're always using just the disposable ones. And to me, honestly, it just gets ridiculous, the amount of trays that you just go through. And you know, we're all about the environment these days. So let's open it up and take a bit of a look. Not much to it. Empty box. As you'd expect from K-On 4x4, it's a really nicely finished product. The holes, it's just a little bit, so their tray is a little bit curved. So I guess it sits like that in the Webber. So if you're looking for something that's a bit deeper or whatnot, this one just looks like it sits flat on the grill, and you put your item on top. So as you can see, there's a lip like that the whole way around, and it's going to yeah, that's your convection tray. Definitely excited about this one. Side tables for the Webber. It's going to give me a little bit extra room there when I'm cooking away. As you can see when you open the box. I'll tell you, these guys just love giving those little bits and pieces, which is nice. You know, you can stick it on, be proud of their products and that you use it. So yeah, it looks like it just comes with the installation instructions. We'll show you how to do that in the next video. Here we are. God, this is well packaged, this one. Look at this box. They could have wrapped it up, but no, they've given me a nice fold-out box here. So this is one of the side tables. Looks like it would end up something like that. Running out of room here. And oh yeah, there we go. And the other one. Nothing else in the box, we'll ditch that. And that's the other side. So yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about this one. Nothing else in the box. So we've got the barbecue tool. It's going to clean, scrape, open beers and bottles and stuff. It's going to be great. We've got a tray, so we can get rid of our aluminium ones and just keep cleaning this one, which would be nice. And it came with this. This is actually why I started looking at how I originally found this mob. I was just looking for some little attachments for the ARB air compressor. And these guys have come up with a 3D printed dust cap. So this thing inserts into the compressor where your airline would plug in. This is just a dust cap. So when you're not plugging your airline in, just plug that in and stop any debris, or maybe a rock or something falling in when you're chucking stuff in the car. Well, that was a really cool idea. That's why I actually visited their website at the start. You can see how it goes in, nice and easy. And yeah, it's also a little hole here, so I can just sort of tie a rope to it and I can just dangle when I'm using my compressor and not just plug it in there and stop dust and debris going in. So the installation is easy to carry out. All you got to do is undo the screws on both sides, just a few turns. Let's come over here until you can fit in here by opening it up. And once it's unscrewed, you just line up these two tabs, pull the plastic apart, drop it in, take your screwdriver, do it back up. It's that simple. Good to go. Check that out, they're both on. Closes up nicely into one package, ready for transport, ready to go again, open it out, more space here. This one here in the caravan doesn't open up as wide when it's mounted in the caravan. We just leave it open, it helps deflect a bit of heat away from the actual van. And of course, here's the trivet. Good to go. Hot stays in there. Before, I think I have. How good are these products? Now, I mean, the barbecue scraper cleaner with a bottle opener, with a hanger, that's awesome. That's grouse. So why wouldn't you grab that? And then when it comes to their products and their finishes of these items, it's top notch. Look, you probably want to just check that you like the lips and depths and this. Like, this is going to be fine. But if you have something, if you're sort of thinking what you might have traditionally used in the past as a disposal tray and what you're going to get in the reusable, just be aware they're a little bit different, but this is going to work fantastic. As you saw, I've taken these off just to do the end. These are super easy to install. Didn't take long at all. Just had to loosen up a few nuts, put these in. I'm going to have to go put them back in now, but just wanted to once again show you the quality and finish of this product. Like, this is awesome. As I said, I was just going through the internet looking for a totally random product just to add to my existing ARB compressor, and I found their little plug, and then that tripped me on to buying a few more things on their website. Just shows that there's great Aussie innovation going on still, and these guys have really got a great range of products, whether it be for your Webbers, for your travel ovens, that kind of stuff. You've probably seen a few other videos. We've done some upgrades with trays and trivets and that. Definitely jump on the K-On 4x4, check out their products, support a local Australian business who's manufacturing here. As always, guys, give us a subscribe, give us a like, comments, questions down below. Look out for our next video. See you in the travels.